Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine. If you're new here for the first time, hi, welcome. We would love to have you stick around and join the family. This eye is watery today, so just ignore it if you see me crying. I'm not really crying, I'm just like tearing profusely, and it's super annoying because they don't want me to be great. Sometimes it be your own eye, like, bro. So I got this palette in the mail yesterday, and I really have been waiting for this palette to launch so I could play around with it. I pre-ordered it on Amazon a couple weeks ago and it arrived yesterday, and I've just been dying to play with it because it's just perfect. So go ahead, grab your glass of lemonade, and let's get on started with this look. Alright guys, so this is the palette I'm going to be playing around with today. And I guess I'll just show you guys what it looks like up close. This is the Lemon Craze palette from Maybelline. Guys, oh my gosh, I love it. Like, I don't know why. Wait, it's Lemonade Craze. I'm so sorry. Like, I love yellow. I love lemonade. It just reminds me of summer. And it's just a beautiful palette in my opinion. It's so beautiful. Like, Lemonade Craze. I've been waiting for this to launch for months, and it finally has. So I'm going to play around with it today, and I'm excited. So let's get started. I will swatch, I guess, some of my favorite colors so you guys can see. So, of course, Lemonade Craze for sure. It's going to be the first one I swatch. It's definitely my favorite color in here. Just going to do a little bit of a round swatch and just put that there. It looks really nice and pretty pigmented. Really nice. Yellow is one of the hardest colors I feel like to really get that pigment, and this one has quite a bit of pigment in there. I can't wait to see how it blends out on the eyelid. So Ice Pop is definitely my second favorite in the palette, so that's what I'm gonna swatch next. Looks really nice. Okay, Maybelline. Okay. Coral Punch looks really nice as well. I love these colors, you guys. They look so good. Wow, I am actually really impressed with how much the pigment is. Ooh, girl, my hands are so ashy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Sugar Coated because it looks really nice as well. This looks so pretty, you guys. It looks so beautiful. Alright, next I'm going to swatch Old Fashioned. It's a brown, but kind of like a muted brown. Really nice. You can see it right there. It's like a nice transition in shade for me. Then we have Berry Ice, which is really light. And the only thing I could probably do with this color is use it all over my lid if I wanted that type of really light eyelid. This is it here. Then Sunny's, the same situation. I can kind of put this all over my lid if I wanted like a blank lid with a deep crease or something like that. So this is it here. Really nice. So now we have 4 shades at the perimeter of the palette. This one is called Main Squeeze. It's kind of like one of those shimmer topper shades where it has a lot of sparkle, and if you just layer it, you get a really nice effect. It's different from the other shimmers in this palette. This is Sweet Tea. It looks really nice. And you have Citrus. I love citrus. And this is it here. Also, ooh, this one looks really good. Oh my gosh, it has like gold reflex, like rose gold reflex. It looks really pretty. And then lastly, we have Sherbet. Sherbet looks very similar to Sunny's, but Sunny's is yellow based and Sherbet is like peachy pink based. So they're definitely different colors, as you can see here. Alright, so we're gonna start off the look with Lemon Craze, which is the yellow shade. So I'm gonna take Lemon Craze with this Morphe 505 brush, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And my crease, I'm so sorry, all over my crease. Fix Plus and spray it because I always spray these types of shades. OMG, this is beautiful. I'm really impressed with the way this looks. Like, so far, I really like it. And I'm gonna take a little bit of main squeeze and pop that in the first half of my eyelid. Spray this once again. I'm gonna take some of Ice Pop and I'm gonna take that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna use this Outerly V brush for that. This is also from Makeup Geek. I actually really love Makeup Geek brushes. They're just the perfect sizes. Oh my gosh, and they feel really good. They don't stab you or anything like that. The size of these brushes are so perfect for me though. Just the tiniest amount ever of eyeliner.